Dear students, in our previous class we had started reading Macbeth. Macbeth was a brave general and he was also a close relative of the king. He had great skill in warfare, so the people of Scotland respected Macbeth, and Duncan was the king of Scotland. A rebel army had started fighting against Duncan, so Macbeth had been sent to suppress the rebel army. After defeating the rebel army, Macbeth and Banquo, another general, were returning from the battlefield. They met three witches. The second witch predicted that Macbeth would become the Thane of Cawdor, and the third witch predicted that Macbeth would become the king of Scotland. They predicted about Banquo that Banquo would not be the king, but his descendants, Bongshadhar, they would be the king of Scotland. Now, the predictions of the witches came true, or partly came true. The first prediction that he would become the Thane of Cawdor came true. Some messengers from king came and they made Macbeth the Thane of Cawdor. So now Macbeth's ambition was spurred. তার উচ্চাকাঙ্ক্ষা জেগে উঠল. That was the time. This is the significance of the first scene. This is the first scene of the play. The question may be asked, what is the significance of the first scene? The significance of the first scene is this. In this scene, the predictions of the witches gave rise to, or rather spurred the ambition in Macbeth's mind. তার মনে উচ্চাকাঙ্ক্ষা জাগিয়ে তুলল. Banquo was not influenced. Banquo was not influenced because Banquo did not have that ambition inherent in him. ওই উচ্চাকাঙ্ক্ষা Banquoর মধ্যে ছিল না. The ambition was within Macbeth, and the predictions of the witches only spurred it. উচ্চাকাঙ্ক্ষা তার মধ্যেই ছিল এবং ডাইনিদের ভবিষ্যৎবাণী সেটাকে আরো জাগিয়ে তুলেছিল. Why did this thing happen? Because Macbeth is called a tragic hero. Who is a tragic hero? Not only a hero, but a tragic hero. A tragic hero is a person who has a tragic flaw in his character, and this tragic flaw brings about his downfall. কথাটার মানে কি? A tragic hero has a tragic flaw. What is meant by the term flaw? The word flaw means some shortcomings, কোনো ত্রুটি. তার চরিত্রে একটা ত্রুটি থাকে, and that flaw brings about his downfall. He may have many qualities, but that flaw will bring about his downfall. That is why he is a tragic hero. Macbeth is a tragic hero because Macbeth had a tragic flaw in him. What was the tragic flaw in Macbeth? Macbeth had many qualities. He was a brave general, he was a skilled soldier, he was a relative of the king, people respected him. He had many qualities. But there was one flaw in Macbeth's character. Macbeth's চরিত্রে একটাই ত্রুটি ছিল, that was ambition. Ambition was the tragic flaw in Macbeth's character, and we will ultimately find that that flaw brought about his downfall. So Banquo was not influenced because Banquo is not the tragic hero. He does not have ambition. So when Macbeth asked him if he thought that his sons would be the kings of Scotland, Banquo replied that one should not be influenced by the sinister forces. অশুভ শক্তির দ্বারা প্রভাবিত না হওয়াই ভালো. The witches are the representatives of dark forces, and if Macbeth paid heed to their predictions, Macbeth যদি তাদের ভবিষ্যৎবাণীতে আস্থা রাখে, ultimately he will reach his doom. সে ধ্বংস হয়ে যাবে. This was the warning given by Banquo to Macbeth. We are starting from that point. open your books at page 44. However, the prophecies of the witches had sunk too deep into the mind of Macbeth. Banquo warned him, but the prophecies of the witches, the predictions of the witches had sunk deep. That means it had exerted a great influence on Macbeth's mind. ম্যাকবেথের মনের উপর বিরাট প্রভাব বিস্তার করেছিল. He told his wife about the predictions of the three witches. After returning home, Macbeth told his wife's name was Lady Macbeth. He told his wife about the predictions of the witches. How? The first prediction was that he would become the Thane of Cawdor, and the second prediction that he would become the King of Scotland. He told his wife about the predictions of the three witches and also its partial accomplishment. Partial. The word partial comes from the word part. Partial means partly. The predictions had been accomplished. They have come true. Shotti hoyeche, but not wholly, partly. What was the entire prediction? Macbeth would become the Thane of Cawdor, Macbeth would become the King of Scotland. Now Macbeth has become the Thane of Cawdor, but Macbeth has not become the King of Scotland. So the prediction has been partly fulfilled. Lady Macbeth was an extremely ambitious woman. Ambitious. Ambitious means one who has ambition. She was extremely ambitious. That means she had great ambition. She spurred on the reluctant purpose of Macbeth. To spur on. This group verb means to entice, to excite, uttejito kora. She enticed the reluctant purpose. Reluctant means not willing to do, onichu. Reluctant purpose of Macbeth. What was the reluctant purpose of Macbeth? Macbeth's reluctant purpose was not to kill the king. Macbeth did not want to kill Duncan, but Lady Macbeth wanted to kill him. So what did Lady Macbeth do? Lady Macbeth spurred on, she enticed the reluctant purpose of Macbeth. When Macbeth said that he would not kill Duncan, she began to entice him. তাকে উত্তেজিত করতে লাগলেন. Why was Macbeth unwilling? Because who felt compunction at the thought of blood? Compunction. Macbeth had a resentment. Macbeth had a deep antipathy, বিতৃষ্ণা, against the shedding of blood. রক্তপাতে তার অনীহা রয়েছে. Not that Macbeth did not kill people. In the battlefield, Macbeth had killed many people. For example, Macbeth had killed the Thane of Cawdor with his own hand. Thane of Cawdorকে নিজে হাতে হত্যা করেছিলেন Macbeth. That was why he was made the Thane of Cawdor. So Macbeth did not feel compunction at bloodshed. রক্তপাত দেখলে তিনি কেঁপে যাবেন তা নয়. But Macbeth did not want to shed the blood of the innocent. নিরীহ মানুষের রক্তপাতে তার আপত্তি আছে. Macbeth can kill a person in a hand-to-hand fight. মুখোমুখি লড়াই তিনি কাউকে হত্যা করতে পারেন. But Macbeth cannot kill a defenseless person. So Macbeth had compunction at the thought of blood. She did not cease to represent the murder of the king as a step absolutely necessary to the fulfillment of the flattering prophecies. Lady Macbeth began to influence Macbeth. What did she tell Macbeth? She told Macbeth that the flattering prophecies, flattering means pleasing, jam anand deয়. The flattering prophecies, that means Macbeth would become the King of Scotland. The flattering prophecies would never be fulfilled, would never come true. এটা কোনোদিনই সত্যি হবে না until and unless Duncan was murdered. If Duncan is murdered, only then Macbeth can become king. As long as Duncan is there, he cannot become the king. So Lady Macbeth again and again told Macbeth that the murder of Duncan was essential, absolutely necessary for the prediction to come true. ভবিষ্যৎবাণী সত্য হতে হলে Duncan must be killed. This video comes to an end. I will start another video.